There are certainly not enough real compact mobile phone models in the market, but maybe it will get better soon, because Cubot officially announced that they plan to debut their latest 2022 Cubot Pocket series soon. The first smartphone of this series, named Pocket, will arrive with a 4-inch small smartphone and will be released in May. The big problem with expensive flagship phones is just that they are big, heavy and pricey. Sometimes you may not want to lug the weight about, or you may not want to risk dropping it in the mud at a sodden outdoor gig, losing it at a sweaty rave, or having it stolen during a night on the town. Cubot Pocket series is created to enhance the in-hand user experience of smartphones. The company wanted to create a smartphone that could give you all the necessary and interesting features of a 21st century phone in a lightweight and compact design that can easily fit in the palm of your hand. Cubot Pocket series is coming specifically to offer great mini phones. For quite some time, the smartphone has been increasing in size, and it's getting out of hand. Larger screen comes with a better viewing experience, but there is no denying that its size can also be a burden when carried. The Cubot Pocket series of mobile phones was born to solve this problem, and to bring users convenient and portable phones. The highlight of Cubot Pocket is of course its palm size. The 4-inch mini smartphone not only fits in the palm of your hand, but is also small enough to fit in your pocket, and it will squeeze even into the pocket of your skinny jeans. It reduces the burden on your pocket, while your every move has just been made easier than ever. And because the phone will be also equipped with an NFC chip, it will be yet another convenient device at your grasp. As of now, we are not privy to the exact appearance and specs of the phone, but with the first look at the images, we can gauge that the brand is going for a retro look with the Pocket series. Cubot Pocket phones will most likely be available in gorgeous colors like black, pink, green, red, and purple. From the officially released pictures, we can already see the appearance of the phone. The exact specs have not been announced by the officials yet, but should come very soon. Just follow the news on the official landing page and stay tuned. I would also like to remind you that this is not the first time Cubot has released compact smartphones. Previously, it had a rugged phone model called the Cubot King Kong Mini, which also had a 4-inch screen. Let's take a look at some of its other features. The Cubot King Kong Mini is the smallest durable smartphone we've tested. Most rugged phones we receive for review have massive screens, but the King Kong Mini only has a dinky 4-inch display, and it's much more pocketable as a result. Importantly, of course, if it did happen to fall out of your pocket, it will be well protected. Aside from its rugged credentials, everything else about the Cubot King Kong Mini is pretty standard as far as a budget smartphone is concerned. It's powered by a relatively weak MediaTek Helio A22 processor and 3 GB of RAM, with a small 2000 mAh battery. A 13-megapixel rear camera and 8-megapixel selfie snapper are hardly exceptional either. I think that the new model of the Cubot Pocket smartphone will have similar features as the rugged phone Cubot King Kong Mini. And what do you think? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a good day, and see you soon.